Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. If you are struggling to find a better grammar correction tool for your research paper or spelling mistake correction tool for your research paper, so here is a tool where you can avail the tool for free. So and you can use the tool to correct grammar correction and spelling mistake in your research paper. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing grammatical correction, that is grammatical error free and spelling mistake free. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that, so if you are interested in MATLAB basics to learn more about MATLAB basics, so here is the opportunity. So comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. So in this workshop we are going to explore MATLAB environment and we are going to analyze different syntax used in MATLAB, and also we are going to make 2D and 3D plotting. So we are going to explore the toolboxes in MATLAB Simulink, ANFIS toolbox, neural network toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, etc. So how to use that toolbox for our applications, and also we are going to make a live PID tuning control to obtain desired results for our application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, so you can type LMS research support. So this leads to the website here. So it consists of AI chatbot option. In this chatbot you will be having different LMS AI templates. So in this templates you can see different AI templates especially designed for research paper writing. So in this you can see summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content, reference style converter. So these are the different templates available. So for literature review alone you will be having 5 different templates to get a better literature review. So in this video we are going to discuss the option called grammar corrector. So you can click grammar corrector. It leads to the page here, grammar corrector page. So in this grammar corrector you can see, so please add the text for grammar correction. So and you can click on correct grammar. So in one click it will correct all the grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes in your paper. So in order to do so I am going to select a random paper here, random research paper. So this is the random research paper. For example, I am going to copy and paste the abstract of this paper. So you can copy the abstract of the paper. So go to that grammar corrector template. So you can paste here. So after that you can click correct grammar. So it will take several seconds to generate. So the important thing in this grammar corrector template itself, it will perfectly correct your grammar, and also it will avoid typo errors and spelling mistakes in this particular paragraph. So with a clear and concise content it will generate a better output for your content you have given. So here you can see this is the grammatically corrected details. So you can copy the text and you can just copy the text and you can paste the text in your Word file, or again the same in the research paper. So again like that you can give paragraph wise or you can give a section wise. For example, I am going to give this introduction part, the 2 pages. So copy that. So again refresh again. So after that in this grammar corrector template you can paste the content you have copied, that is the introduction and literature review part. So you can paste here and click correct grammar. So it will take several seconds to generate the grammatically corrected sentences and also spelling mistake free sentences. So here you can see this is the grammatically corrected paragraph and sentences. So here you can copy and paste the sentence. So you can copy and paste the whole paragraph and you can paste in the particular Word file you have. So thereby, so you no need to hire a English expert that is analyzing to analyze your research paper. So you can use this AI template to analyze this grammar mistakes, spelling mistake and typo errors in your research paper. So this will be very helpful for you.